Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a best cleaner or optimizer that you could use or download in your computer. So let's get started. So the cleaner that I'm referring to is this Advanced System Care Free. So let me open it. Okay, so as you can see here at the left side, it has these five options: Care, Speed Up, Protect, Software Updater, and Action Set. Now let's go with the Care first. It has this two mode, AI mode and manual mode. Now, under the manual mode, the moment you click on it, it has these different options that you can take an action to. So, privacy sweep, where it erases your activity history, system optimization, where it will optimize your system configuration, and antivirus protection, spy removal, junk file clean, internet boost, firewall, shortcut fix, and more. Now, here's the catch: you need to put a check mark on the activity that you want to take an action to. Just have to mark this check and I just identify those options that you want your system to perform. And once done, just have to click the scan. Okay? So it will redirect you to the scanning process and will completely optimize your computer. So the second one is the speed up. Here under the speed up, it contains six categories: work mode, startup optimizer, hardware accelerator, app or extension cleaner, real-time tune-up, and more optimization tools. Okay? And the good thing about the speed up is it also notifies you about the current status of your computer. So in my case, it says here 17 outdated drivers need to be updated for a faster and more stable PC. Now, this notification helped me to keep an eye about my computer and to take an action in order for this issue to be solved. Okay, so that's the good thing about this. And let's go to the third one, which is protect. It also contains four options here: system protection, privacy, browser, security, and repair tools. Okay, so just have to make sure that all of this is in check mark. Okay. It also notifies you about your PC, turned on browser protection to prevent online threats. So just simply make this check mark, the browser protection. Okay. So it also has the software updater. Well, it reminds you about the software that is outdated. So in my case, I have nine outdated software. So I just have to click all of this update to update all my software. Okay, so the last is Action Center. Now it contains the recommended software that your computer need to be downloaded or installed. So just proceed to the Install Now button to perform and to update, install such applications, such recommended software, driver updater, malware protection, which will help you to have a better protection by installing this anti-malware program, program and installer, disk optimization. Okay, so this is how important and nice because it has this pretty good features and all of this about advanced system carefree is just great and good for your computer for a better performing computer. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you how to download. Just visit any of your website. Okay, then open it. So at the window search bar, just type advanced system care. Then go with this first result. Just simply click on that. Okay. So the moment you click on that, you'll be redirected to this results. Just go with this first one. And the moment you click on that, you'll be redirected to the installation of the software. Okay. Just simply click this free download to open and install your advanced system care free. Okay, so protect, clean your PC, and makes your PC easier and extraordinary using this advanced system care free. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.